This is Cape Coral, Florida. Cape Coral, Florida is one of the fastest growing areas in southwest Florida, near Fort Myers. It features over 400 miles of canals, offering many homes direct water access, and some with Gulf access for boating. Compared to Naples and Bonita Springs, Cape Coral is budget-friendly, providing more home for your money. The area has single-family homes, with a mix of older and new properties keeping prices competitive. The vibe is calm and residential, focusing on outdoor living and waterfront enjoyment, rather than high-end shopping. Buyers should know, flood zones and insurance can increase costs, especially near water. Some neighborhoods have utility assessments. Commute times to beaches and Fort Myers vary by location. In summary, Cape Coral offers affordability, waterfront access, and growth potential, making it a great choice in Southwest Florida.